friends, they will ask about how to fix or how to solve filters not working on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve filters not working on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart, and you can click here on this page. Then you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.